spending hundreds on AI tools monthly? We tested the best free alternatives that actually work. You might not need the paid version. Most creators waste money on premium AI subscriptions they don't fully use. Free tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Midjourney's free tier deliver 80% of paid features. Today, we're showing which free tools rival expensive competitors and where upgrading actually makes sense for your workflow. ChatGPT tier handles content creation and coding. Canva's free plan offers stunning designs. Midjourney gives 25 free images monthly. Perplexity AI researches let ChatGPT plus. Descript edits video automatically. For freelancers and small businesses, these 5 tools cover copywriting, design, video, and research without spending a dime. 1. Upgrade ChatGPT Plus if you need GPT-4 daily. Pay for Midjourney at 2,000 plus images monthly. Choose Canva Pro for brand kits and unlimited assets. Paid tiers excel when free limits slow your workflow. Track your usage. Most creators thrive on free plans for months before justifying premium costs. Start free, measure ROI, then upgrade strategically. Don't buy subscriptions preemptively. Test workflows, hit free limits, then invest. Many successful creators use 5 free tools instead of 1 expensive platform. Combine tools smartly. Free ChatGPT Plus, Canva free plus, Descript free beats paying 4 expensive all-in-one software. Drop a comment which free AI tool surprised you most. Subscribe for weekly tool comparisons that save you money.